Hello and welcome. How are you doing? Next I'd like to show you that how to test that is this my cars or pickup trucks this fuel pump working or not. And here I have very high quality fuel pump, and this comes from Toyota car, and I have now take this my fuel pump away, and this fuel pump's location is in here. There is this fuel pump hose, and there is that kind of clamps what we can open using our tongs in that way, and then we can install that in back. And here is then this my fuel pump, and there was also this cable, and this is easy to test because there is only two cables in that, plus and minus. And then when we look in that pump, there is minus symbol in here in that place, and there is plus comment in here. And then we need also this car's battery, and there we have this car battery that we can test that our fuel pump. And then we need also cables. Red is for plus and black is for minus. And then we go to test that, so that I need to take this my any kind of cable is okay that we can connect. There is two those LED parts in here, this copper parts, that one, and then that one, and we need to carefully insert that our cable. There is this copper area inside. I insert that in there inside in that way, and then this minus cable in that way, and then we go to insert that in my car's battery. Okay, and here we have this car battery, and that red one is plus cable, and I open that cover, and there is minus cable. And then I install this my fuel pump in here, in that position, in that way, and then this red one goes in this plus area and minus in that area. And now when I insert these things in here, it's normal that I need to press these two things, and then this motor starts to run. Okay, now it works. We can hear this sound, and that sound means that everything is okay. And then it's good to remember that when these are fuel pumps, that they need this fuel inside and gasoline, that they works. But in that way this fuel pump works well, and the maker is Denso, and this is okay pump. Okay, and then we continue, and thank you for watching that video.